underwater conditions can change drastically depending on the depth, visibility, and lighting, making it essential to adjust camera settings for optimal footage quality. To determine the best configurations for different scenarios, various shooting modes and settings were tested, each tailored to specific environmental challenges. From deep dives with limited light to bright, overexposed scenes in shallow waters, the Insta360 Ace Pro 2 offers a range of customizable options that allow divers to capture sharp, well-balanced footage in any condition. By fine-tuning elements such as resolution, frame rate, color profile, ISO, and exposure values, divers can maximize image clarity, reduce noise, and enhance color accuracy. Whether the goal is quick sharing, professional post-production editing, or capturing stunning natural colors without adjustments, the right settings ensure that every dive is documented with the highest possible quality. For deep dives beyond 10 meters with fair to poor visibility, a 4K resolution at 120 frames per second in manual mode provides maximum detail and post-processing flexibility. Using a flat color profile enhances color grading options while setting ISO to a maximum of 800 minimizes grain. An exposure value of -0.3 helps prevent overexposure, and auto-white balance ensures accurate color representation. On the other hand, for quick sharing and natural-looking footage without extensive editing, a 4K resolution at 60 frames per second or 120 frames per second in auto mode delivers vibrant, realistic colors straight out of the camera. The standard color profile maintains true-to-life tones, while an exposure value of -0.3, auto-white balance, and medium sharpness settings ensure a well-balanced and visually appealing result. By fine-tuning these elements based on the diving environment, the Insta360 Ace Pro 2 enables divers to capture clear, high-quality footage whether for professional editing or instant sharing. For overexposed scenes such as shallow water dives or shooting toward the sun, adjusting the camera setting is crucial to retain highlights and prevent washed-out footage. Using a 4K resolution at 60 frames per second in manual mode with the iLog color profile ensures a higher dynamic range, allowing for better post-processing flexibility. Auto shutter and a maximum ISO of 800 help balance exposure, while an exposure value setting of -0.3 prevents excessive brightness. Auto white balance maintains natural color tones, and setting sharpness to medium preserves detail without making the footage look overly processed. However, while log profiles enhance color grading, they aren't always ideal underwater, as they can reduce contrast and brightness, leading to darker footage and potential color loss. In such cases, switching to a standard or flat profile provides better results. For low light conditions, such as deep dives at dusk or murky environments, maintaining clarity and reducing noise requires specific settings. One option is using custom manual settings with a 4K resolution at 60 frames per second, a flat color profile for balanced contrast, and an auto shutter to adapt to changing light conditions. Keeping ISO at a maximum of 800 helps reduce grain, while an exposure value of 0 ensures proper exposure without underexposing darker scenes. Lowering sharpness helps minimize noise in shadowed areas, preserving detail without introducing artifacts. Alternatively, for divers who prefer an AI-assisted approach, the pure video mode enhances brightness and reduces noise automatically, making it a great choice for capturing clear footage in challenging lighting conditions. By selecting the right setting based on the environment, the Insta360 Ace Pro 2 delivers high-quality underwater footage with optimal exposure and color accuracy.